Rise and shine, come on. Hey, take it away.
Hello, friends. How are you today? Are you ready to play? Let's play to find the way. Flying, flying, each and every day. Let's play. Shapes! This is giving me lots of ideas. What if we check out another painting with a lot of circles? Little round ones.
I've got it! I know the perfect painting for you. This way!
Scribbles. It is perfect and so dotty. I mean, look at all the dots, the colors, the way everything just comes together.
Oops!
Look who it is. Come on, let's see if we can catch up.
Hank, no!
Come on up. The clouds are fine. Isn't this great?
You know what? Being this high up isn't so bad after all. Let's spend the whole day up here.
Actually, can we go back down?
But we just got here.
Well, it's nice being up with the clouds and birds, but now I miss the ground. The grass between my toes. All my bug and worm friends.
Okay, let's go home. But